Myself Vijay Vardhan.
Hi Vijay.
Actually, I work for training and coaching clients.
Okay.
So they require a landing page, okay, website, and Facebook pixel integration, and Google Analytics, all those things. So
yeah, Google Analytics, it is already inbuilt with the application what we are working. Facebook, as of now, no, but yeah, definitely if we got requirement, we'll work that.
Means the AI tool, we can create website, but how to paste the code of Facebook, so all those things.
Can you come again? You can build website, you can.
For example, in Elementor, WordPress Elementor, we will copy the and paste in header and footer section like that. Facebook pixel code.
Okay, so these things okay, yeah, that is not at all a problem. We'll give that option because it's just a copy paste, like whatever code you can paste. I'll give you one more input in right away where we are building your website, and it can be easily copied in the header part. So yeah, now I understood, like there is one column on the meta section, right? In the header part. Yeah, Facebook pixel code, the JavaScript code. Yeah, can be done. I'll take it a point and we'll add that.
This is only important, sir. This is only important.
Yeah, that is pretty much easy. Like while building this much of application, taking a small input and adding that to the website is not at all a big issue, and for that even we don't need AI. It can be easily generated by any small batch file. Yeah, please.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
Sir, here.
Yeah, please.
I am PS Rao.
Hi, Rao.
Sir, I already have a website.
Okay.
I already developed a website. It is working. So I want to build an Android and iOS app. So
you can do that. You can do that. So, but here the problem is what kind of website you have. So, is it a database link or they need a separate database? Because the biggest problem that find while re-engineering or adding apps for the existing website is the data migration part or the data collaboration part. Right? They already have a certain schema materialized type, right? So their schema might be different, and the AI schema what we are creating over here, the SQL schema might be different. So in that scenario, we need to work on a call-to-call basis. If they have any APIs exposed for their existing schema, it can be integrated by using GraphQL.
Okay. Is there any option to read all the functionality in the website and automatically generate a website, mobile apps?
Yeah, that is what. See, generating the functionality for AI is much easier, but reading the schema, because schema is not present in the URL part, right? I don't know. Suppose you itself. I'll take your example. You may write the ID as user ID in your column. I'm just giving an example, and I write user ID as ID only because I count it as an ID in user table, but you specify it as user ID. So that may different because any AI can't read your data schema. So that is the problem. But on a call-to-call basis, as I said, if we have the entire schema, we can work by using exposing APIs.
Got it. Thank you, sir.
Pleasure is mine.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Please.
Yeah, my name is Irfan.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, there are plenty of applications similar to your development, like Wix, Weebly, Yola, and they're also integrating AI. To what extent you people are different to them?
Okay. In my presentation beginning itself, I told you Wix and WordPress.
Yola.
Yeah, these are all not the current ones. Wix I am seeing hardly from 15 years, right? They are working on CMS model. So we call that as a CMS model. Either you take Wix, you take WordPress, or you take any application, those are building e-commerce or WooCommerce site for us. Those are all working on the content management system model. So they are also integrating AI because the current world is AI. What we are trying to do is the difference between you work with Wix or you work with Topiko is from Topiko you get a tech support directly by just giving a call. As we are working with resellers, they are working with end clients. We are not working with end clients.
And in general, you said like we can create an the APK applications, like, but on common terms, sometime like if the APK files are not used, So Google will throw out them in lakhs. So is that creating APK files for those website is good?
Come again, sir, I didn't understand.
See, in generally, Google will throw out if the apps are not in use in general. So creating APK files,
Not used in sense not updating frequently.
yeah.
Yeah, see that is basically the problem is from the owner of the APK who is using that, right? So as a developer, your responsibility ends by delivering the application to him, right? How he is publishing his business, how he is making his APK to be known to the public is not in our hand. But normally what we do is we generally update the applications by every 3 months or 90 days or something like. If they are not using, that is not our fault, and AI cannot understand why this fellow is not using. I think I answered your question correctly, or if anything is there, please elaborate.
No, in generally, when we go ahead with CMS also, there is a certain plugin when we install that we can create APK. So what made the difference with Topiko then?
CMS applications will not generate APKs, they are mainly meant for web apps.
No, there are some certain plugins that will create iOS APK, what we call Android both.
Can you name one? Which
It's
kind
like,
of application it is? Because CMS basically is for content management.
agree with that.
Now, they are not building tools.
No,
So
there are certain
Cardova,
plugins in the
see,
market.
I'll give you a little example like capacitor, Cardova, PhoneGap, React Native. These are the tools which can create APKs or IPAs in terms of hybrid mobile application technology. CMS is a part where you just manage your content and create a layout. So why the CMS is much useful in website is website doesn't require any build. It is as simple as creating my entire application and put the entire code into the hosting space can be done easily unless and until I am working with a kind of JavaScript flavors like Vue.js, AngularJS or React.js. There we need a build and we upload a build file. So if you take any CMS, no CMS application will work with React build. So all are working with the open code like non-compiler codes where they can directly put it into the web space. So here your question, what I understood is if the APKs are not being used or not being generated properly, then the Google might reject. So here Topiko is giving you an option that we only deploy. So the meaning of we only deploy means it is our responsibility to make the application live. So once the application is live and it is idle for a certain period, it won't be months. For a certain period, more than 1 year, 1.5 years, there is no update for that website or there are no downloads for that website, then Google Play Store will send us an email that your application is idle for so and so period. You are not updating the rules of or rules and regulations of Play Store. Then they reject that application. That scenario, no company can do anything.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks a lot.
Hi, this is Abbas.
Next one.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please, sir. You
My
good?
name is Abbas.
Abbas, please, Abbas.
I want to ask few questions.
Sir, I am. Yeah.
I want to ask few questions.
Please.
The first one is like uh, the the product which you are giving description, like we are getting the meta description is getting generated, right?
Yeah.
So what if after deploying that website things, if we want to edit those meta descriptions for each and every page, do we have an option?
You can come. So the moment I showed you, whatever the AI is generating, it is a free text. You can edit that text also.
Okay. And the second thing is like, do we have any suggestions part? Like, if we don't like this meta descriptions and all, do this product gives us any other suggestions apart from this, which can be very much suitable for our business category?
So you want to say like the script should suggest you like use these kind of keywords, right?
Keyword descriptions.
Yeah. So basically, the moment you are generating by using AI, it has a predefined data. What kind of meta description will give you more SEO friendly? So still you want more kind of information or you want to edit. Again you want to ask AI that I need more. what we can do is we can simply put a regenerate button over there with your comments. Okay, so you can just give some more comments in the downline and add a regenerate button. Can be possible.
Okay, and the second thing is like how many templates are there? Defined templates are there for each and every particular category. So suppose if we are generating a template for our client, and if he doesn't like all these templates and he wants something creative, so what if at that situation do we have any other options, any other alternatives?
Yeah, so I told you on this. Right now we are working with using Visual Copilot, where if you just give a URL, like the customer like the URL, whether it may be from Theme Forest or any other. So my application will get the CSS part of it and it will generate as per your requirement. So initially what application will do is the base information, like while creating you are giving some information, using that information it creates some dummy images and will give you the entire layout and you can edit those images. So that option is much required. I know, or like our company knows that, and we are working on that. Very soon that will be available for you. So then there is no point of how many templates. Unlimited templates you can work on.
Okay, for each and every category we will having multiple like a number of templates.
Yeah, as of now there are predefined templates. We are working to train our model. So even this also we will try to increase to more than 100 and 120 within no time. But before that, we will introduce you the Visual Copilot theme.
And the same question comes for the Android app development also. Like if the customer is not that much satisfied with the existing templates what you are offering. So is there any
You can take a custom design and give it to me. We'll generate using AI and we'll give it back.
So again it is coming like again we need to approach you.
No, you have a support ticket, right?
Okay.
Just send in the support ticket. You just send us a screenshot. This is the requirement. We'll work out and we'll give it to you. So that will be an added advantage for our company itself, right?
And do we have any other integrations like how to integrate the third party plugins like Google Analytics or any other?
Google Analytics are inbuilt, sir.
It is inbuilt.
Google Analytics are inbuilt for all the websites and mobile apps that are being developed using our tool. Google Analytics are inbuilt.
And you have said that you are using Linux server and what is the security level?
See, basically our Linux server is deployed using AWS with Linux
server. We also use Linux server and we know like how it is working. So basically we want to
Linux is most secured.
Okay.
Yeah, so we all know right? Why we use Linux is more secure.
Why don't you use cloud?
We are using AWS cloud only.
Okay. In that you are using
the,
Linux.
the environment is Linux, what I am saying.
Okay.
The environment is Linux. Yeah, any more? Pressure is mine.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Hi, sir. My name is Tamil Selvan. I am a web developer.
Yeah. Can you come again with your name, please?
My name is Tamil Selvan.
Tamil. Yeah.
Tamil Selvan. I am a developer, website developer.
Okay.
In this URL, we are giving all the informations. They are generating a static website. Customer says, I want animation, I want a swipers, I want a carousels, I want a little animations.
You mean to say parallax?
Yeah, parallax, the animations.
Okay.
Like a carousel we are using, right?
Okay.
For the partners, we are showing the animations.
See, basically those are all case to case.
It is generating only static website, right?
This is not static, this is dynamic website.